So recently I just came back from backpacking Europe with my friend, and while we were there we stumbled upon this really cute store called Flying Tiger. Oh my god, it's our favorite store, Flying Tigers. Oh my god, buddy, oh my god, oh, love it. So as you can see, we get very excited whenever we stumble upon it while visiting different countries. It's a Danish store founded in Copenhagen that sells literally everything at very affordable prices. They have this whole art section, and so I picked up their watercolor set, which only cost me $5, and I just had so much fun with Daiso's cheap watercolors last time that I thought I'd try these out and then share the process with you all. I want to show you guys that you don't always need to go out and spend a ton of money on like professional art supplies, and that it is possible to make great art with basic materials.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. How much you miss it, and you miss it. Right from the start, and you did right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. Missing someone. I am sad and so down. I am sad and so down. Missing someone. Missing someone.